Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Elden Ring Convergence Mod. This incredible modification completely transforms the lands between, offering a fresh and expansive experience. You will discover over 25 brand new starting classes, each with unique abilities and playstyles. Prepare to explore a redesigned world, encounter new enemies, and wield hundreds of unique spells, making every playthrough feel like a brand new adventure. It truly redefines the game. Installing the Convergence mod is straightforward, but careful steps are essential. First, always back up your existing Elden Ring save files to prevent any loss. Next, download the most recent version of the Convergence mod from its official page. You will then need Mod Engine 2. This tool is crucial for loading the mod's assets correctly. Finally, place the downloaded mod files into your Elden Ring game folder, following the specific instructions provided. Once installed, launching your modded adventure is simple. You must launch Elden Ring through the Mod Engine 2 executable, not the standard game launcher. It is highly recommended to start a completely new game to ensure all mod changes are properly integrated. You will then be presented with over 25 distinct starting classes, each offering unique weapons and spells. Dive into the redesigned starting areas for an immediate taste of the new challenges. The Convergence mod is packed with an incredible amount of new content. You will discover hundreds of new spells, expanding your magical arsenal significantly. Prepare to face redesigned bosses and entirely new enemy types that will test your skills in fresh ways. The lands between are also filled with new weapons, armor sets, and talismans to find. Experiment with diverse builds and enjoy countless hours of exploration and combat in this reimagined world.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.